everyone, I'm ASMA Julianna, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you the 6 key elements on how you can sleep better. As many of us already know, a good night's sleep is important for our physical and mental well-being. Hence, here are the 6 elements to help you sleep better. So come on in! So the first element is comfort, which is all about having that complete bed. The collective comfort provided by your bed, mattress, pillow and bedding determines the level of support your body and spine will receive during the night. The second element is lighting. In general, a darker bedroom gives us a better sleep quality. Dimmable lights are a great way to go from getting ready to go out to getting yourself ready for sleep. Using blackout curtains and blinds also helps reduce the lights from outside from entering to disrupt our sleep. Next up is temperature. Especially for us living in this tropical climate, we tend to sleep better in cooler rooms than warm ones. So for rooms that are generally warm, using products with cooling elements on quilts and pillows keeps you cool while you sleep. Around 80% of body heat escapes through a quilt. So if you're prone to feeling cold at night, make sure you have a thick, warm duvet with lots of fillings, plus the cozy blankets to provide an extra layer. Air quality also contributes to how we sleep better. The bedroom should be well ventilated with cleaner air for better health and sleep. And did you know, having a live plants like peace lily or snake plant can help in purifying the air in the bedroom? Or better yet, get an air purifier to improve the air quality at home. Yes, this bedside table is also an air purifier. Sound is another important element as it stimulates the brain, so the quieter the room, the better your quality of sleep. Simple solutions such as sound-absorbing panels and nap textiles such as rugs or curtains can help to reduce noise in the bedroom. Music also helps to improve sleep. Add a wall speaker like this that combines function with aesthetic. So, the 6th and final element is on colors and furnishing. Creative use of different colors and texture creates a cozy bedroom. And lastly, a clean and organized room helps in calming your mind before sleep too. And that are the 6 elements to having a better sleep. Hey do!